For over 15 years, DIVI Group has continuously strived to become one of Vietnam's pioneers in clean energy and industrial boiler solutions. We began with a simple aspiration to deliver energy solutions that are safe, efficient, and sustainable, contributing to the growth of Vietnam's industrial future. At DIVI, we don't just build boilers, we build trust, responsibility, and lasting relationships with all those who walk alongside us. DIVI designs, manufactures, and installs modern industrial boiler systems, from eco-friendly biomass boilers to oil, gas, and electric steam systems with zero emissions. With a team of experienced engineers, we constantly seek energy-saving solutions, helping our clients reduce operating costs and ensure absolute safety in every operation. Our industrial steam supply service has earned the trust of numerous businesses in Vietnam and abroad for its stability, flexibility, and exceptional efficiency. From biomass plants in Binh Phuc and Gia An to hundreds of projects across the country, DIVI continues its quiet mission, bringing green energy to life. At the DIVI factory, where skilled engineers and dedicated workers come together, every detail is crafted with passion and precision. Each product undergoes rigorous testing under international standards. Because we understand, quality doesn't come from words, but from every weld, every bolt, every breath of a DIVI craftsman. Our companions are our customers, the businesses who trust us on their journey toward energy efficiency and sustainable growth. They are our engineers and workers, who pour their heart and skill into every process, every detail, to deliver the best products to our clients. They are our partners and suppliers, who share our vision to elevate Vietnamese industry through integrity and responsibility. We believe, when everyone prospers, DIVI truly grows stronger.
Tôi tin rằng giá trị thật của một doanh nghiệp không xác định bởi bằng quy mô, mà xác định bằng giá trị thực có thể đem lại cho cộng đồng. Mỗi khách hàng, mỗi kỹ sư, mỗi công nhân viên của DIVI đều là những người bạn đồng hành đáng tin cậy. Và chúng tôi làm việc không chỉ để có sản phẩm tốt, mà để mỗi một doanh nghiệp, mỗi một cá nhân đồng đi với DIVI đều được tốt hơn về chuyên môn, về đời sống, về định hướng tương lai. Và tôi biết hành trình này sẽ vẫn còn dài, và chúng tôi sẽ bước tiếp bằng niềm tin và bằng trái tim của người làm nghề.
Three core values, efficiency, safety, and standards, guide every action at DIVI. Efficiency, because we understand that every cost saved today fuels tomorrow's growth. Safety, because behind every flame and every flow of steam, there are people. And safety is the foundation of sustainability. Standards, because it's how we keep our promise of quality and credibility. These three values live not only in our processes, but in the mindset of every person at DIVI. We know the road ahead remains long and full of challenges. But with belief, continuous learning, and a deep desire to create true value for the community, DIVI will keep moving forward. DIVI, bringing prosperity to every companion.